Do you know, on a everyday basis, millions of people are getting affected or being diagnosed with lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension, heart problems, and many other fatal health conditions. And if you analyze, most of them revolve around one main culprit, which is obesity. And obesity is accumulation of excess fat in your body due to poor lifestyle practices, right? And the fat percentage accumulated is all depends on your activity level, age, and BMI. And again, if the obesity is not acted upon immediately, it may lead to fatal consequences like organ failure, heart attack, and many more. So it may look like it's as terrifying as it all sounds, right? But there are ways to um lose excess fat from your body. And again, this all depends on what stage you are in. Okay, and the solution is very simple, and the same solution can be applied to prevent obesity as well. Okay, and solution is develop a regular routine for your physical activity, avoid junk foods, and look out for preservative less or less sugary food products, and replace your sugary beverages with fresh fruits, and include superfoods like millets, chia seeds, and many more. See, millets is widely accepted and being used in weight loss and fat loss programs due to its complex carbohydrate, high in antioxidants, high fiber, and protein. Okay, see, millet helps to achieve your fat loss goal in a very sustainable way. And you have to remember that losing weight, it will take time. Okay, and it's all depends on how patient you are and what are all the actions you are taking. And however, the actions that you are taking, and how consistent you are, is all you have to look out. You have to think in a long term way and long term effects, right? And health benefits. Don't look at it in a short term way, right? See, yeah, several people are choosing conscious eating, including consumption of home cooked meals and using superfoods like millets. See, it is scientifically proven that millets are low in calories and gluten free, which aids in fat loss and weight loss. Millets also helps in lower the cholesterol level, and it has a long term and sustainable effect, which is more important. Okay, and high fiber content in millets also aids in easy easy digestion, and it avoids bloating or stomach gastric problem and constipation as well, right? And millets are powerhouse of nutrients actually, which helps trigger fat loss in your body. See, millets like jowar, bajra, ragi can be replaced with your usual white rice or wheat. See, the other main thing is it gives you a filling effect, and since it's a gluten free and it has a low GA, it releases glucose into your bloodstream very slowly. So it is highly beneficial in avoiding diabetes as well as clogging your arteries, so that the accumulation of fat will be under control. Okay. See, but remember one thing: change doesn't take over, won't happen overnight. Actually, you have to be patient. Only main thing is you have to take that small action, and the action should be consistent in achieving your weight loss goal. Actually, if you do that, definitely can be weight loss and fat loss can be achieved using the set of um, steps and steps of set of methods that I have mentioned. Okay, and see, by doing this, see your healthier version of you. Okay, hope you like this video, and please do share, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube, my YouTube channel as well. And I will be sharing more such videos in the future. Until next time, see you. Cheers. Bye bye.